Hello everyone, today we are going to make instant banana pancakes. You will need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 medium-sized banana and 2 eggs. You also need 2 tablespoons of sugar, vanilla essence, baking powder and 1.5 cups of milk. You can mix all the ingredients together in a blender or either hand whisk it. To prepare the pancakes, you can grease a flat pan which is on medium heat and pour the pancakes individually according to your preferred size. The mixture is going to be lump-free and smooth, just like the way you see. The pancake is cooked on one side when it starts to form small air bubbles, and you could see the spatula comes clean. You could flip the pancake now and let it cook for a few minutes. You could remove it when it has a beautiful golden color. You could serve it with any of your favorite toppings, like some cut fruits, drizzled honey, or any dippings. The crispy, fluffy pancakes are instantly ready.